everyone, Sai Chitanya. Welcome back to my channel, Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G plus aggregation support test and the speed test comparison between both phones, which are iQOO 7 versus the OnePlus 8T device, as you can see. So I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card. This is an extreme indoor type situation. Let's see which phone has got what type of band and what carrier aggregation, whether they were able to get or not. So first, let me just show you the NetMonster application. You can see the NetMonster application in the iQOO 7 device. So we're getting 4G plus with the LTE band 850. So which is fantastic, and let me just show you in the OnePlus 8T device whether we will be able to get any kind of 4G plus or not. So as you can see, same kind of band, I'm getting 4G plus and 2 bands and 3 bands. Wow, as you can see the bands are increasing with 2 and 3 continuously. So now let's do the speed test. So now let me need to quickly open the speed test comparison between both phones, and let's see in this kind of environment which phone will be able to get the most of the 4G. That is what I'm going to check right now, and I'm getting 3cc and only one in the iQOO 7 device at same location, friends. So right now the OnePlus also picking up, but it's not showing any kind of 4G sign in the OnePlus. I'm not getting, now I'm getting the 4G as 4G plus. As soon as you get the 4G plus, you can see the speeds, how much it's increasing. As you can see, it went up to 12 Mbps as well as speeds. So sometimes because of changing the bands, the internet might be get disconnected sometimes. So that is the reason you're seeing this kind of disconnection. But once you get stable, this kind of 3cc continuously, you can see the difference between both phones, how much it is. As you can see, I'm trying to show you this kind of bands on the notification. That is the reason I'm trying to keep these phones a little bit kind of close to the camera, so you'll be able to see exactly 4G plus and on the top what kind of bands they're able to get. And this complete same SIM card, same Jio SIM only I'm trying to use, same Jio SIM. As you can see, but different results at same location. As you can see, friends. So only thing is that sometimes iQOO 7, I think it's not that capable of getting this many bands. So it's getting 4cc and 3cc, 2cc. It's like a lot, 4cc indoor condition, friends. That's only I did see in the OnePlus phones, and next in the Realme X1 Max device, in this kind of getting this many cc's mainly. So let me try to put the same server, maybe Jio Hyderabad. I'll try to select the same kind of server, and let me try to start doing the test again one more time. Let's see in this time which phone will have what kind of result. And you can see in the iQOO 7 the 4G plus is staying continuously with this band of 850. It's not changing. And right now in the OnePlus 8T device we are getting the normal 4G. There is no 4G plus. So there's a huge difference. So between the 4G plus and the 4G. So if you get the 4G plus, the speeds will immediately get speed up. As you can see the speeds, how it went upside. So in the iQOO 7 device we are still getting only close to 7 Mbps, 7 and 8 Mbps. And one thing, if you notice, the 4G plus is kind of consistent, it's not changing. So whereas in the OnePlus 8T device it's not consistent. As you can see, now I'm getting normal 4G only, not 4G plus. So this is one thing which I thought of just addressing in the video. But overall I'm getting so many bands, 4cc bands inside my studio room. It's not a joke, I would say, definitely, friends. As you can see, these are the results. So let me try to do the single time testing. So one by one I'll try to test in each phone. So once in the OnePlus 8T, second time I'll try to test in the iQOO 7 device. So in this way we'll be able to get to know individual speeds, which phone has got what kind of speeds individual. So let me try to do the first time test in the OnePlus 8T. So it takes some time to start up. So right now it started, friends, and I'm getting 3cc in the OnePlus 8T and now 4cc. Wow. As you can see, 4cc I'm getting, friends, in the OnePlus 8T. So 4cc, and the speeds are close to 13 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, with the 4cc and 2cc, 13-15 Mbps I'm getting in the same location. This is a single time testing which I'm trying to do. So next I'll try to test in the iQOO 7 as well. But look at this bands. So once the upload is finished, I'll try to start in the iQOO 7. I'll try to end up this video. I don't want to make this video very long. So since I got the 80 device, I was able to do this kind of things with this phone. Now let me try to do the final testing. I'll try to close this video. So the highest score, I think till now in my testing I got about maybe 15.5. So this right now which we got, this is the highest score which we got. And in the iQOO 7 device the highest score maybe 8.99 is the highest score with a single band, which is the 850 band. So let's see with this final test what will happen with the results in the IQ 7 device. And with the 850 band 4G plus I'm trying to get, and the speeds are kind of close to 6 Mbps, 6.6 and 7 Mbps. So that's kind of considerably okay, I would say, because of only single band you are getting. So instead of 4 bands and 3 bands and 2 bands, you did see the transformation how it happened in the OnePlus device when I'm trying to do the speed test in front of the camera. The speed from 850 it went to 2cc, and from 2cc 3cc and 4cc as well. So even with the more cc's, it doesn't mean like more speed you will get. Sometimes you may get kind of close speeds sometimes. That's the one thing. So these are the overall results, friends, and the 8.99 is the highest and 15.5 is the highest. These are the complete scores comparison. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.